Alright, we're here on Clearwater Beach, which should come as no surprise if you watch our Facebook channel a lot. This is our home base here, so not a bad place to have a home base. So we're just taking another walk down the beach and just enjoying the walk. Alright, we're crooked. We're gonna have to fix it. There we go. Believe it or not, these are bigger waves than we usually get. So this boat headed toward us out there is a parasail boat. He's going to come in and anchor. Just wait for people to buy parasailing trips. Thanks, Kathy. Got some votes for favorite on Clearwater Beach. There's another worker out there. He's got the tough job of playing with the jet skis. There's a little eddy. Here's our beach cleaner. Alright, there's a couple people who just rented paddle boards. If you go to our YouTube channel, there's videos of us going out on paddle boards and even kayaks and stuff like that, and all kinds of different activities in this area. So if you like that, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel too. It's Florida Beach Rentals on YouTube. This is how you get out to the parasailing boat. I've seen people on these. It's a fun ride. They pull that from a jet ski. There they go. There's a girl swimming after her. I don't know what her plan is. some more fun right there. Those are perfect for the beach because you don't sit inside of them, you sit on top of them. That way you can't get tanked by the waves. It's a little tot somebody brought to the beach. All right, guys, just so you can be here a little more. It's about they say it's 80 degrees. It feels warmer, but and this water feels cool on the feet. It's actually warm water, but it doesn't feel warm. So I think it's hovering right around 80 itself. That means it feels cool on your skin, but it's not cold when you get in. Alright guys, this might be a little long video. I think I just enjoyed myself a little too much and forgot how long it went. Alright, oh, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. And if you keep watching our channel today, I'm going to go to another pool rental. If you guys like watching those, I'll show you a new place down here that we rent out.